Only the top 1% of people can guess all these Brainrot characters. If you guess 5 out of 5, you have unlimited aura. Now tell me who is
Boom boom boom. Tigrulini watermelini.
Which of them is
Garam mararam raraman mararaman dan madudung dung dung tak tuntung perkuntung.
Where is
Chimpanzini bananini. Wah wah wah. Bananucci monkey 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 uchi.
Or
Send this to someone who looks like Chimpanzini Bananini. Okay, let's do something harder. Now tell me who is
Boneka ambalabu.
Only one more left. Don't forget to comment how many you got right. Which of them is
Frulli frulla. Un pinguino nel deserto che fa bla bla bla.